Hi, I'm Matthew Sauer. I'm the product manager for the SLI category for Canadian Energy. Again, SLI stands for Starting, Lighting, Ignition, and in layman's terms, that's just car batteries. But there's three different types available to the general public at Canadian Energy. One's going to be a traditional flooded. This is just going to be your base of the line starting battery. If you want to upgrade from the base level or entry level flooded, you would go to our Canada Proof mixing line. This battery is going to get you that little bit more life expectancy. So if you don't want to be changing your battery every 3 to 4 years, go with this one. And if you want to upgrade even further from the Canada Proof Mixtec, you would go to the Mixtec EFB. This battery is specifically designed for microcycling applications such as start-stop vehicles. And if you want any more information on these three batteries, just go to our website at www.cdnrg.com for more information.